Hey, welcome to Jonez Garage. Today we're going to be going to Harbor Freight and picking up this welding table. I've been working on this 1964 Ford Falcon, and there's been a lot of times where I'm like, man, I wish I had a table to put stuff on, to weld on, especially these little tiny brackets I'm working on. So I'm trying to get my next Falcon video going on. So if you guys are new to the channel, check out the 1964 Ford Falcon restoration playlist. All right, now back to this welding table. So this is a 36 by 24-inch modular welding table. It includes a 24-piece metal fit-up kit, so it's got some clamps and stuff with it. This thing can hold 600 pounds. CNC machined holes. It's about 33 and a half high. Later on in the video, I'll put a level on this thing and show you guys if it's flat or not, and I'll take dimensions to see if it's actually what it says it's going to be. So let's put this thing together. So first, let's get this thing open. All right, first thing we'll do, just throw these in the garbage. Everything's all boxed up, so let's get these boxes open real quick, see what we got. So far, they look good. Paint looks okay. There's, it's not super shiny, but I mean, for what we got, I feel like this looks pretty good. Welds in there. Just welded on nuts on the bottom. I see some people put, it doesn't come with casters, but I see some people, they put casters on the bottom of these, which isn't a bad idea, but I kind of want to have it, I just want to level it and sturdy it, so I'm going to put the feet on it like it came with. So these would be the legs if you're going to do the bench top mount, but I'm not going to do that one. I'll do that later. So these I'm just going to put to the side because I'm going to use these longer legs. Here's all your clamps. You got 4. And here's all the smaller clamps and pieces. That's the hardware to put it together. But here's more clamps. And here's the feet. Here's the bench top. This is the bottom side of it. This thing's super oily, so it don't rust. They had desiccant and stuff in here, so overall I feel like it's packaged really good. This box was damaged, but it didn't get to the table at all. They had tons of foam and this cardboard angle in there, so it was protected. I was a little worried when I seen that damaged box, but looks to be all good. Well, we'll see this bottom side. It's pretty close to the table edge, but what do you expect from Harbor Freight though? So now that I got it out of the box, it actually was damaged a little bit. You can see the scratch and stuff, but I'm going to do much worse for this thing, but definitely make sure you check the box first before you get it. But it's not dented, just nicked and scratched. I don't think it's going to affect anything, but I'll grind that smooth. I'm not using this for anything super precision anyways, but It just sucks, you know. But like I said, I'm gonna do much worse to it. Here's the hardware to put this together. You got some washers, some nuts, some bolts. So to put this all together, you're gonna need a 1/2 inch socket, 1/2 inch wrench, a ratchet. You can use a impact if you want. I don't know if they recommend you do or not. I didn't read the instructions, but I used an impact. And you're gonna need a knife to open up the packaging. Those are the only tools I used. Let's get all this cut open. Put the feet on first. Looks like there's a we got a lock nut. I'm just gonna screw this down a little bit. I'll probably want the table kind of high because I'm a little taller, so I'll just leave this sticking out. I'll adjust them later because the table's gonna be upside down after I put it together. So now looking at the box, it looks like this is upside down and it's in the first little opening on the leg. So that's where I'm gonna put it. So I went back and looked at the instructions and they want these on first and then you put the bigger legs on. So then later on, if you want to take this leg off, it's already set and then you don't lose them. Makes sense. I just don't like looking at instructions. I'm just going to put them down to about the thickness of my finger. And then when the table is the other way, I'll adjust it accordingly. Here's the table all put together. So now I'm going to put some levels on here just to use as a straight edge. I don't have the table level to the floor, but just so you can see how flat the table is. So here's the 24-inch side. Now you see it's tight, and then you can see a little bit of light. So it's not perfectly flat, but yeah, just on the ends. But it just barely, like if you're looking at it close, but just so you guys have an idea, it's not perfect. But overall, it's going to do the job for what I need. I also want to take a measurement, see if it's, so it's actually just under 24. And this tape measure, I mean, this is a DeWalt tape measure. Maybe the tape measure is off, but on here we're showing the 16th under. And now let's go the other side. So they say this side's 36 inches. Not going around and a quarter, but it's actually, it's a little, it's like an eighth off. 35 7/8. So it's just under 24 by 36. And same thing, I'm going to put a level on here just to show. This side's a little better, but you can see some, you can still see some light through there. So it's not perfectly flat. And then this is the side that it had the damage from the store. And this side's actually better than the other side. Maybe it hit it back. Oh, there you go. But you can still see some light through there, so it's not perfectly flat. But overall, I mean, I'm happy with this thing. I just wanted to show you guys, just be a little critical on it to show you guys, but overall, it's a nice little table. And they're up front with it, like, you know, they're saying it's out a little bit, plus or minus. So here's the specifications again. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Maybe drop a comment below if you want to see anything else about this table. Make sure you check out my Ford Falcon playlist. I think I got 20 videos right now on the playlist, me working on it. And I'm about to start filming my next video. That's why I got this table. So please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my playlist. I'll see you guys next time.